Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you all are fit and fine. As we all know that our schools are temporarily closed due to lockdown as we are facing a crucial situation that is COVID-19. So students, you don't have to worry about this. Myself, Miss Jyoti Arora, on behalf of this whole Jingle Bell family, brings you the facilitation of this online classes. I hope students that you all are having your books at home. So kids, let us start. I am here to conduct your English class. So this is your English workbook. You all might be having this workbook at home. So students, take out page number 1 of your workbook. This is your page number 1. In this page, you have to trace the standing line. You have to join the dots. You students, previously you have learned a lot about this standing line and you have done a lot of worksheet also regarding this topic. So students, let us recall. Now students, in this picture, 3 clouds are there and from the cloud some raindrops are falling on the ground. So these raindrops are in the form of a standing line. Now in this picture, one tree is there and some apples are hanging on the tree. When they fall down on the ground, they are also fall in the form of a standing line. See the picture. One is 3. There are 4 standing line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So students, this is your new book. This is your English workbook. So are you all ready with this book? You will need one pencil with you and one eraser with you. Okay, now let us open our book. Students, this is your index. You have to fill this index also. Now students, this is your page number 1. Which page is this? Page number 1. In this page, you have to do standing line tracing. What you have to do? Standing line tracing. But before this students, you have to fill the index. This index you have to fill. On which date you are doing this work and classwork you are doing or whether homework you are doing, you have to mention here. Okay students. Now before starting with our standing line, firstly we have to mention the date here. Okay students, and tick the classwork here because you are doing the classwork here. Okay students, now tell me which line is this? This is standing line. In this students, you have to trace the standing line very neatly and very properly. What you are seeing? Here are some dots and 4 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to start the line from the first line till third line. You have to draw your standing line. So let us start students. You all are ready? Say yes ma'am. Okay students, now let us start. Firstly, start with the first line. Put your pencil on the first line. Now join the dots very properly. Straight, join the dots properly. And which line is this? Standing line. Okay, very good. Now again, draw second standing line. Join the dots properly. And your standing line is done. While you are drawing the standing line, you have to speak also. Which line you are drawing? This is standing line. Oh, my line goes wrong. This is not standing line. My line go not straight. So in this condition, this is wrong. Now you have to pick the eraser and you will erase this line. Now again pick your pencil, and now you have to draw the line very properly and very slowly. For this, your pencil should be sharpened properly. Okay students, now again we will join the dots properly. Slowly, slowly, and your standing line is done. In the same process, you will do your second page. Now students, this is your page number 2. You have to do this page number 2 also in your classwork. So students, I hope you all have understood how to make the standing line. And below this page, some stars are mentioned in the page. Those students who have done the work very properly and neatly, I will give them 3 stars. You all need 3 stars? Yes, you all need na? So you should do your work very properly. Thank you.